Hello, this is the informational chat entitled What to Do If You Are Thinking About Placing Your Baby for Adoption. I'm Dr. Berger, a psychologist and founder and director of a not-for-profit and fully licensed adoption agency that has helped pregnant women, birth mothers, birth fathers, and adopting families in all 50 states for over 40 years. We have helped in all kinds of adoptions and have completed over 900. I understand that you may have many questions and concerns about the adoption process and about making sure your baby is placed with just the right, safe, and secure family who will love and care for your baby just as if they had given birth to the baby themselves. Like so many birth parents who contact me, you may have heard and seen misleading and confusing information and may have some unrealistic or realistic concerns or worries about developing an adoption plan for your soon-to-be born or already born child. All too often, I hear from pregnant women and birth mothers who have had problems working directly with an adoption family, with a private adoption attorney, or with an adoption facilitators. They call with problems that could have been avoided, but by the time they call me, it is too late to undo and overcome the problems. Don't let this happen to you. While you are deciding how to proceed, make sure to continue to take good care of yourself and your baby. Contact a healthcare provider and make sure to start prenatal care as soon as possible. If you need help finding a physician or getting an appointment for prenatal or after-birth care, contact us and we'll be glad to try to help you. Make sure to try to eat healthy food, avoid drugs and alcohol, as well as cigarette smoke. Get some healthy exercise and check with your healthcare provider about continuing any nutritional supplements and prescription medications you are taking. You can also visit the website pregnancyandchildren.com. That's all one word, that's pregnancyandchildren.com, for more information about what to eat and what to do and what not to do during your pregnancy. Now, more about your adoption plan and adoption help. First, take your time and review as much information as you want and or need. You will need to decide if you want to use a private not-for-profit agency such as ours, or an adoption attorney, find an adopting family on your own, or use an adoption facilitator, or as a last resort, use your foster care system to help you. I have found that in order to protect you and your child, and to make sure you get all the help that you need and want, the best route to take is to work with a fully licensed, not-for-profit agency like ours, or any other agency that is fully licensed and not-for-profit. By far, that is the safest and easiest way to go. To find one that is just right for you, you can try searching the internet, or you can call us and or go to our website for information about us or for a list of other adoption agencies in your state. It is very important to emphasize that your call and inquiry to any agency or attorney or anyone else about your adoption plan does not in any way bind you at that time to your decision. A decision about adoption is not binding until you sign documents after the birth of your child, and even then, in most states, you still have a period of time after the birth to change your mind and to parent your child. Now, when you call and talk to the agency, I suggest you check out several things. 1. Can you be as involved or uninvolved as you want in selecting and or meeting the family? 2. Do they do open adoptions, closed adoptions, and everything in between so that you can have the kind of adoption you want? 3. Do you have the option to receive or not receive pictures, letters, and updates on your child? 4. What is the screening process for the adopting family, and does it include state police, child abuse, and FBI clearances? 5. Will your child be placed directly with the adopting family so there is never foster care or a temporary home? Next, do they make sure that all your legally allowable expenses, medical expenses, and other adoption-related expenses are covered? Next, do they provide information about prenatal care, about medical care, and financial help? Do they provide you with free counseling and help not only during the process but also long after the child has been placed? Do they go over all the options open to you? Do they take all the time needed to address all of your concerns? And, most comfortable, do you feel comfortable talking with them? The above are just some of the things to consider when you are deciding who will help you in your desire to place your child with just the right, loving, adopting family. With our agency's unique adoption program, we will make sure to focus on what is important to you and your child and provide guidance, support, and advice. You will always receive the highest level of caring, professional, and personal attention, and there is never any cost or obligation on your part. We have helped literally over 8,000 birth mothers, birth fathers, and adopting families in every kind of a situation you can imagine, and we will help you now and for as long as you need our assistance. I hope the above has been helpful. If you want more information about this or any other adoption issues, you are welcome to call and contact me or my staff at the number and/or website address shown in the description of this video. My best wishes to you and those you love.